Alright, 2.3 number 1, we're going over lines. In this first example, it wants us to find the X and Y-intercept. And so we are given the equation, which looks to be in standard form, or the system might call it general form. We have 2x plus 3y equals 6. Alright, so graphically what you would see when you're trying to determine the X and Y intercept, it's kind of running off. This is the y-axis, goes up and down, and then the x-axis goes left and right. So a point, let's just make a line here. So the point where this line crosses the y-axis is called the y-intercept. The ordered pair is 0 in the x direction because we haven't gone left or right, we just went straight up and we have a y value. There's going to be some other number. Could possibly be 0 if it crosses here, but usually this is 0 for sure every time. And then if you want to find the x-intercept, you find it where it crosses the x-axis. And this ordered pair would have some number for the x value and a 0 for the y value, because we haven't gone up or down from the center, we just went left or right. So this is how you identify the y-intercept and the x-intercept. So the opposite value is always 0. If you want to find y, x is 0. You know that because ordered pairs are listed x and then y. Alright, so we're going to find the X and Y-intercept. First we're going to find the Y-intercept. So Y-intercept, we find that by plugging in a 0 for x. X equals 0. So if I plug a 0 in here for x, I don't know why I wrote 2 equal signs. We would have 2 times 0 for x plus 3y equals 6. This would end up giving us 0, or just 3y equals 6, and then divide by 3 to solve for y, and we get y equals 2. Then we can find the x-intercept. X-intercept is found by plugging in a 0 for y this time. So we have 2x plus 3 and then 0 for y equals 6. And then this will give us 0, so we will just have 2x equals 6. And then divide by 2 on both sides. And we get x equals 3. And so we get our x and our y intercept. So be careful, sometimes they want you to type it as ordered pairs. So if we type this as an ordered pair, we would have 0, 2. This one as an ordered pair would be 3, 0. In this event, they just want you to type the integers. So we will type a 3 for the x and a 2 for the y.